So today I'm going to make a really cute Christmas inspired fabric garland. What you need is 2 to 3 different colors of fabric and different patterns. I chose the classic plaid for Christmas, and then I also have black and white. Then I have this really pretty shimmer red glitter ribbon that I'm going to add in as accents around the garland. So again, you can use whatever patterns or style you want. If you want all solid, you can definitely do that. If you want to do like a couple of different patterns, you can definitely go for that. But I thought the classic plaid was so cute, so I just wanted to use 2 plain colors to go along with it. So you will also need something to be like the base of the garland, something to hang all of the fabric on. Whatever you choose. I chose the twine just because it's really cute and classic looking. Alright, and however much you need is going to depend on how long you want the garland. So, we are going to go ahead and get started. This is really simple, but it's going to look really, really cute. So, the first thing you want to do is tie the end. And this is just going to be like a little hook to hang it. So, I think maybe 1.5 to 2 inches should be enough. But again, whatever size you choose. I'm just tying it in a knot. Nice sturdy knot, and I'm actually going to tie one more. Just like that. And this will serve as, like I said, like a hook, so you can hang this on the wall or a table, wherever you're going to hang it. This will be a good end for you. Just like that. Alright, and I never really know exactly how long I'm going to make it, so I don't really like to cut it yet until I see like how it looks and everything. So I'm going to get this hung, and then I'm going to leave it attached to the spool so that I can adjust it and make it longer if I need to. Get this anchored down, and then we can get started. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is cut the fabric into strips. This varies just depending on how wide and how long you would like your garland to be. I'm going to cut mine into 1.5 inch width strips. So whatever length you want it, you have to double it. So I want it about 8 inches long, so I'm going to have to double that to 16. And I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I prefer to cut fabric. You can definitely, if you want, once you get the measurements that you want, just cut the strips in the measurements. But that's going to take a lot of energy, and your hand is probably going to get really tired. So what I do is I just cut the strip. I cut a slit maybe about 1.5 to 2 inches of the measurement that I would like, and then I just tear the end. So let me show you what I mean. So say this is like 1.5 inches cutting board that I have. So it's nice so that you can like just lie the fabric on it and then just measure. Again, mine are going to be 1.5 inches in width. So I'm just going to cut a couple of slits. Just like this. And then I'm just going to tear it. So you do. Just hold it nice and sturdy over here. Then this piece that you want to tear, and then you just give it a nice tug. Just like that. Then you go to the next one and tug. And again. So you can just keep doing that with all of the pieces, and that's the way you can make sure that they're the same width all the way down, because you know sometimes when you're cutting you can cut sideways and slanted and everything. So this just assures that you have like nice even pieces. Alright, so I have cut several strips in each of my fabric pieces. Again, I just cut a few. I don't really know exactly how many I'm going to need. I just want to start and then see how it looks from there. And then I also have this one, which is like a sheer shimmer that I'm going to add in just here and there for accents. So then the plaid is going to be my main one. Go ahead and start placing it on the twine. Alright, so I'm going to take the plaid that I think is just so cute and adorable. So what you're going to do is fold it in half. Fold it in half, just like that. Have like a little loop up here. Then I like to pull it together, just like this. And then I'm going to place it in front of my string. And I'm going to have my fingers in between the top loop, just like this. And then I'm going to grab the bottom and pull it all the way through, just like that. And then I hold the string while I pull it tight. Then you can just adjust it, just like that. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I think this is going to be long enough for me. Again, depending on what you're going to use it for, you can make it longer or shorter. But I think this looks cute. And again, I have all the knots in the front. Change the color, style, patterns, whatever you'd like to fit your specific occasion. So I took the banner down so that I could finish off the other end. So I have it at length that I would like it. And then, remember I said I kept it on the roll until I decided exactly how long I wanted it. Now I'm just going to make another loop, just like I did with the beginning. I'm going to try and make it kind of even, just like I did with the first side. See, I'm going to do that with this side as well. And I'm just going to cut and tie it in a knot. Just like that. And I'm going to tie it one more knot just for extra security. Never hurts. Just like that. So now, so that's either end. As you can see, you can use it's like a hook or a hanger or anything you'd like to hang it wherever you'd like. And so the finishing touch that I was telling you about is an option. Wherever this hangs, and to hide this little knot, you can put like a little bow on it with the same fabric that you have on your banner. So that's another option. I'm going to show you that. It's just a simple little bow. It looks like on the dark background, so you can see it. Very cute. So this is what it's looking like. So cute. So I'm just going to take a strip. I'm going to fold it over and fold that one over, kind of just estimating. And then scrunch it just like that. Then I'm just going to cut going to take a small piece and just enough to tie it. So I'll cut it like right there. And boom, nice, simple, easy bow. I'm gonna make one more for the other side, just like that. So cute and adorable. And again, these are gonna go on the ends right here. It's just gonna go just like that. So just like a little end to the banner, and then this one will go on this side. And I'm just gonna use another small little piece I'll cut and just tie it down. Or you can glue it, but you don't have to. Small piece, and just tie it in place right over the knot is where I'm tying it. There you go. Same thing for this side. Tie it in a knot. Hang it up, and that's how it'll look. So cute and sweet. Again, good for any occasion, so just have fun with it.